got what's called the enteric nervous system, which is our second brain, and it was actually the first brain to be formed. So when we were little embryos, we started as a little tube, and the nervous system that formed around our intestine was actually the first brain of our body. And in a way, we developed the second one on our head as a bit of an afterthought, which is quite a fun way of thinking about it. But it just shows how important the nerves are in our gut to the way we function. And as we were talking earlier about this connection between the two. And there's also immune cells. So 70% of our immune cells are in the gut, most of them in the large intestine, but also in the small intestine. So our immune system is here, and a huge amount of our nervous system is here.
Why? Presumably the bugs are all through the body.
They're everywhere. So they're also in your, yes, so I should point out, we're covered in bugs. So every bit of the human body has some bugs in it. The second biggest place where we have them is in our mouth, so the oral microbiome, in our saliva and in our teeth and our gums. And that's why poor hygiene, if you're not flossing properly, you double the risk of getting dementia as well, interestingly. So there's a real link between microbes here that if they're eating plaque and other stuff that you're leaving around in your gums gets inflamed, that creates an environment where nasty microbes that love inflammation live. And for reasons we don't know, they seem to pass from your mouth into your brain and trigger inflammation in the brain, which then increase your risk of dementia.
So, if you're not flossing?
Yes, this is really new science showing that just how important getting the right bugs in the right place and avoiding the ones who are in the wrong place really is.
Why do we need these bugs? Why didn't evolution design us so that we could just do all this stuff without the need of these little workers, these little bugs in our bodies? It seems super weird to me that, you think of the human body as being this one organism, but actually it appears to be many millions and millions and millions of organisms.